What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
What me really want for, yes, as I was saying, today a Friday, TGIF, thank God it's Friday. So you don't know, me I ask you if you go out, have a nice birthday weekend. If you drink, don't drive, and if you drive, don't drink. Guys, let us get into this video. Guys, more have to ask a question, yeah? And the question I may ask is, what if you see a lady, yeah? And when you see the lady, nice, beautiful, fabulous, splendious lady, hot, sexy, lick you off of your feet, lady. And you decided what you're going to throw out. Yeah, you know, cause men are hunters, fishers, and all those things. So you throw out your line. And when you throw out your line, should I use that? Men are using the line and fish. You are a hunter, so you went out, you saw a nice, beautiful lady, and you decide to say a word to her. And you say a word to her, and she accepts the word that you're saying, so now you and her start to correspond. You and her start to talk until you lead up into dating. You find out that she have kids, grown kids. However, the father of the kids is not in the picture. They're not in the picture. He's not in the picture at all. Now, you step in. You now live with the mother and your now stepdaughter. You grow your stepdaughter up from year 1 until year 17. 17, so there was no father showing up, doing nothing, saying nothing. There was no father at all doing and saying nothing in the relationship. And you step in as a man. You do everything that you believe that needed to be done for her. Guys, I would like for you to just imagine that. Imagine, sit down and think that you take responsibility for somebody else's child and you do everything that you would do for your own kid, and this happened to you. Watch this video, guys, and when you watch this video, I'm going to talk afterwards. Yeah, I'm going to talk afterwards. But so watch this video right now, and then we will have some conversation afterwards.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, I got a question for you. I just left our daughter's house, your daughter's house, and you know she's graduating, and she was telling me that she wanted, I guess her biological father just came back into her life or whatever the case after 17 years, and she wanted him to come to the graduation, but in order for that to happen, I have to give up my ticket, and she told me that you knew something about this.
Yeah, I didn't know something about it.
And
Is
so,
that a problem?
you don't think it's a problem? Like after 17 years? Like you don't think that's a problem?
No, I don't think it's a problem at all. Because if she want her daddy back in her life, put her daddy back in her life.
So you want me, so after 17 years, this dude come around, look, he can be there. But y'all want me to give up my ticket to let him come. Don't I pay for that entire graduation?
No, listen,
I got her first crib.
Okay, and we appreciate everything that you did. At the end of the day, it's still gonna be her daddy, and she wants her daddy to come back in her life. I don't see anything wrong with that.
Y'all trifling as hell, man. You mean to tell me
Honestly?
So what is you? What's up with you and him? Y'all back together or something? Because it has to be something to it. Because ain't no man after 17 years, ain't no man just gonna pop back up and I want to be at your graduation now. Ain't no man do it. And what type of man is he?
What you mean? What type of man is he?
Listen,
he's trying to come back in his daughter's life.
Any type of man.
I don't see nothing wrong with that.
But y'all in cahoots with trying to get me to give up my ticket that I paid for?
Ain't nobody. Come on now, ain't nobody in cahoots. It's just that she want her daddy to see her daddy graduate. What's wrong with that?
Yeah, but you brought it to her. She told me you brought it to her. You brought it. You convinced her to do that.
Because we trying to build a family. We trying to build a family.
After 17 years.
We trying to build a family.
After 17
years. Yeah, after 17 years. I don't see anything wrong with that.
Man, y'all trifling as hell, man. Straight up. You know
How
what?
we trifling?
This is what I'm going to do. Just like I told her, that apartment that I just got for her, I just went and pulled the lease off. I pulled the lease off of it. That graduation that I paid for, I'm finna go take all my money back. Matter of fact, I'm on my way there right now.
No, that's wrong. No, that's trifling.
Wrong.
That's trifling.
So after 17 years, y'all kick me to the curb.
Man,
and that ain't trifling?
So now
I'm just supposed to give her my money. I'm supposed to give her my money.
Okay.
I took care of this girl for 17 years. Saw her through all her schools. Was at all her little milestones. I was the man there.
You don't think she appreciates that?
I mean, the damn show don't
She
feel like it.
everything you do. But so now you're gonna do that to her?
I'm taking all my
You gonna take everything from her?
I am.
You know, and that's what you call trifling.
I am. Hey,
but you so-called want to be a daddy.
I don't.
But you want to be.
That's over with.
Man, come on.
That's over with.
That's over with.
Yeah, that's over.
So you want? So you gonna be out of her life just like that?
I'm done.
Just because of the graduation? Are you serious?
She told me that you convinced her to do it, and she old enough. She old enough to make her own decisions. So she came to me and told me she wanted to give up my ticket that I paid for to a man that hasn't been there for 17 years, right? And you don't want me to be at a graduation that I paid for, the money that I worked for and I spent and paid for, and I got her first apartment, and I'm getting kicked to the curb. I'm the bad guy now.
Ain't nobody said you was getting kicked to the curb. It's just that she want her daddy to come. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I don't see anything wrong with that.
You know what? Look, all y'all can go now, because I'm just finna take everything back.
Wow.
And I'm gonna let y'all handle that.
Like,
that's how it is.
Nah.
That's, you know,
you're wrong for that.
I'll be wrong. I'll be wrong. I'll be wrong. Don't worry about it. Hey, look, I'll tell you what. I'm about to get off this phone. I want y'all to go have a happy family together because I'm out that shit.
Oh, you wrong.
Yeah, that's right. Show it right. Like I'm supposed to just stick around and let something like this go down. Man, I've been there for 17 years. Man, I ain't trying to hear that crap.
So guys, you all watch and see what was said and what was going on and the back and forth talking with this man and this young lady. Now guys, let us talk about this, because this is something that is happening every day around the world. Now, what do you all think about the situation? Do you think the mother is have the right to tell her daughter to put that love into the father, the original father, is her real dad? Do you think the mother should instigate the daughter to say, yes, my real dad need to be at the graduation? Or do you think the stepdad have the right to take back what he give to her because he take care of her for 17 years and she didn't want him at the graduation but want her original dad at the graduation? Guys, story come to stand up, guys. Story come to bump, guys. This is not a normal situation. This is not normal. This one, yeah. Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. Woo. Guys, this here one, yeah. Guys, me wish me did have something to drink, Me wish me did have something for drink for this. Cause this a one ya. Guys, so the man do everything in him power for 17 years to take care of this young lady. Send her to school, do all these things. However, the mother said to her, yep, the mother is the one who influenced her into corresponding, dealing with her dad for her dad to come in to the graduation. However, the mother also said they're building a family. Now, hold on. They're building a family with the man who will leave them and her for 17 years. Now, guys, what do you think about that? In the comment section, I want to comment. I want this to be a, guys, let me say this. I want this to be a conversation that we are going to have as grown folks. Now, let me talk my piece. Who is really a stepdad? Huh? Who is really a stepdad? A stepdad is a man who go into a relationship where there is kids. There is kids in the relationship already with the woman, have kids with another man. The stepdad job should be, you need to start to build a relationship with that kid, because remember, that kid is not your kid and will never be your biological kid. Did you all hear what I said? That kid is not your kid and will never be your biological kid. Whether if you sign a piece of paper, whether if you do whatever you want to do, that kid will never be your biological kid. Now, let's say this now. If the original father sign over his rights to you as a father, then you are a father, but not a biological father. Remember that, stepfathers. Remember that, please. I'm begging you. Remember that you are not a biological father. Now, hold on a little bit. Let me start this up. Do you all believe what I just said? Do you all think what I just said is the right? If it's not the right, comment down below. Let me know. Guys, when you're a stepdad, you act as a stepdad. You do everything you can do to support your woman, wife, kid. Hear me out. When you see the woman, you see her beautiful. Beautiful. You see her beautiful, nice, fabulous, splendacious, disciplined, delicious, nacious, everything you see her. You see a very nice, beautiful woman. You did not see the kid. You did not see the child. You see the woman first. Then after talking, you find out that she have a child. Now, when you go into the relationship, that child was there before you. Your job now is to make that child likes you. Your job is to make that child respect you. You're going to do anything you can do for that child because you're with the mother, and that's what you should do. That's what I have done in any relationship I went into that there is a kid. I try to help them, talk to them, tell them what I think they should do, not what they should do, what I think they should do, because their opinion is their opinion once they are big, grown kids. Even if they're little, I do the same thing. Now, when I say that, I mean to say this. Your job is not a fatherly job. It can be a fatherly job, But you have to remember, you're not the dad, you're not the father. So whatever you're putting into that daughter, into that son, remember, get ready and stand up ready if in case you should lose it, because if in case she decided to go and deal with her father after 17 years. After 17 years, 20, 40, 50 years, her biological father come into her picture and she or he feels that that's my dad, I'm going to my dad. You should not have no problem with it. Listen me good now. Yes, you spend all your money. You spend all the money that you have and could spend because you love the mother and you grow to love the child. But remember, the child is not your biological child. How me sound? How me sound? 17 years, that man haven't come around, none at all. You, in particular, have no idea where or what is happening to that guy. That guy could be in prison for all 17 years while you're doing his job. He could be suffering. However, that does not mean because you're suffering or you're in jail that you couldn't say nothing to your daughter or anything. If it's even to say hi, hello, I believe you should say at least hi, hello to your kid. And don't allow another man to grow your kid while you sit off and have fun. I don't believe in that. I believe in helping, looking about the kid, even if you're a stepdad. Now, let us get down to this part, because guys, I have another video to make, so I'm not putting in everything in this video, but I'm going to ask and say this. For 17 years, you've been doing everything for this young lady. Now, you love, you respect, you like this lady. Guys, you see how I get hot? You like this young lady, you want to see everything that's good for her. So that's why you put in everything that you can in her. Now, the mother have her putting everything now into her father. Now you're upset. Now you're very, very, very upset because you said you spend a lot of money and now you want to take back the things that you have given to her. Now, guys, listen to me, guys. And I'm talking this on a wide basis, not only the stepdaughter, I'm talking it on a wide basis. Whatever you give to somebody, whether if it's your woman, whether if it's your stepdaughter, you have no right to take it back. That is trifling. That is trifling. When you give somebody something out of love, don't take it back when all hell break loose and take it back out of hate. Don't talk about it out of hate because she decided to want to go with her real dad. She want her real dad to come to the graduation. The only problem, and I'm going to say this, the only problem I'm looking at is you as a stepdaughter have to sit down and say to yourself, I want my dad to come to my graduation, to see me graduate. However, I would like both of you to come to my graduation. That is the goal right there. I want both of you to come to my graduation. If the graduation, if I get 20 tickets and my dad now come in place, and I have to take the ticket from my stepdad to give to my dad. No, it's not going to work. It should not work. You should take the ticket from one of the other person and give it to your dad and say, I want both of you to be at my graduation. That's the solution. The solution is not to take his ticket and he don't come when he spend all his money. Ladies, 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 let me talk to you. Listen to what I have to say. Do not put your daughter in this kind of situation because of your situation. Because that's what happened here. The mother is the one who pushed the daughter into that situation because she now wants a family with the man that was away for 17 years. Dry me face with this part here because this part here not sound right. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for 17 years and all of a sudden this man come in back in their life and she want a relationship with, want a family with this man. Guys, they were communicating. They may not was close, but there was communication. And this is why I'm saying to you men out there and women, when you're going in a relationship, do some investigation to find out if the man and the woman is still communicating. Because if they are, all fire stick is if you catch. We say all fire stick is if you catch. So guys, women, boys and girls, when you're going into a relationship, do some investigation to find out if the relationship is still activationship. You hear what me I say? Check it out and find out and make sure no activationship is happening still. Because this is not a good thing. This not sound good. Because just think about it. For 17 years you're spending all the money you got on this young lady. And now she and the mother don't want you at the graduation, but they want the father that was away for 17 years.